Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we would be sharing the remote job opportunities also with you. So let me share the update with you. So the first job opportunity is with respect to the walk-in drive that is going to happen in the testing experts company. And the location is Noida as well as Chandigarh. And the walk-in drive would be on 1st of November, that is on this upcoming Saturday. Timings would be 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. And you can share your CV to this email address, and the address, the location for both the Chandigarh as well as for Noida has been given. So if you are someone who knows automation testing, who knows Selenium, who knows Java, or who knows Playwright, you can apply. Then there is a requirement for QA manual tester, and this is about a fresher who is having experience. If he's having experience, it's fine. If not, it's then also it's fine. So they are hiring freshers or junior testers with the experience of 6 months to 1 year. Someone who wants to do manual testing to ensure product quality and functionality. Someone who understands and applies SDLC and QA methodologies. So this requirement is for those, and you can send your CV to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for software tester. Again, it's a remote, and they are looking for software tester who can work in the shift timings from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST, USA time zone, and number of openings are two. And they are looking for 7+ years of QA experience, strong expertise in QA design and test planning, hands-on experience in manual plus automation testing, proven leadership skills, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for SDET roles, and it's a remote roles. So someone who wants to work as a senior SDET lead or as an SDET 2 or as an SDET, they can apply. So these are the links. What I'll be doing is I'll be putting this particular links in the description as well as in the comment section of the video, so you can apply from there directly. BitSquared is a company, BitSquared Software, who is having walk-in drive, and they're hiring for QA engineers, again, manual or automation, and other requirements are also there. Experience again 0 to 2 years. The date is Saturday, 1st of November. They are looking for someone who is having BE, ME, MTech, MCA. Pass out years is 2023, 2024 passed out. Someone who has strong communication skills. So this is the venue wherein you have to um, appear for the walk-in drive, and all the interviews will be face-to-face over there. Then there's a requirement for trainees, and it's an internship opportunity which would be starting from Jan 2026. So they are looking for trainees in AI, ML, Node.js, Python, React.js, React Native, QA. Start date would be Jan 2026, and it's a work from home. So you can share your resume at this particular email address. Then one more company which is hiring for interns, and they're looking for immediate joiners. Number of vacancies are 40. Location is Ahmedabad, and they are offering 3 to 6 months of internship program, internship certificate, stipend based on performance, and you can apply over here. And this is a WhatsApp number that has been provided. Then Iris Software is also hiring for QA hybrid, and they are looking for specific domains like investment banking, capital market, financial services domain. These domains are must. So if you have worked in this particular domains, definitely it's a good opportunity for you to get shortlisted. Job location is Noida. Mandatory skills is manual automation, Java, Python, Selenium, API testing, database testing. Experience is 5 to 10 years. Notice period is immediate to 15 days. Joiners only. So you can write at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for remote roles, QA manual engineer, project analyst, product analyst, and many other requirements are there. So you can reach out to this particular email address. Then Healthians is a company which is hiring for QA engineer, automation, Selenium with Java. Location is Gurgaon, India. Company is Healthians. So they are looking for graduate or postgraduate in engineering or related IT software field. Someone who is having strong in automation, Selenium with Java again. experience with Jira, API testing, Android, iOS app testing, and performance testing. And the roles and responsibilities are also given like someone who can analyze user stories, use cases, and requirements for feasibility, execute automation, collaborate with developers to ensure timely bug fixes. And if you're interested, you can share your CV at this particular email address with a subject line QA engineer automation go to go. Then Quality Chaos Technologies is hiring for manual testers with health insurance experience. Experience required is 1 to 5 years. Location is Mumbai, and it's a work from office job role. So if you're interested, you can share your resume at the email address. Then there's a requirement for QA to join the Vadodara team. Location is Vadodara. It's an on-site job opportunity, work from office. Notice period is immediate joiner to 7 days, and you can apply to this particular email address. Then there are other opportunities also. So let me share those details with you. So as I told you, this is a walk-in drive for freshers for QA. It's in Indore, and this is the venue details. Then Excel Tech Company is also hiring for freshers as well as for experience, and they're hiring for multiple roles at Ahmedabad. Then this is a walk-in drive which is happening at Quality Chaos. They are hiring for automation engineers, and they are looking for someone who has experience from 1 to 15 years in Selenium with Java, API automation, or in Selenium and Playwright, or in Selenium Java, mobile automation, or automation testing plus Catalan. So this is the email address that has been provided. Then there is a requirement for senior manual tester at Kerala, and they're looking for someone who has having 5+ years of experience as manual or functional testing. And then there is a requirement for multiple roles of automation test engineer at MRI software company. And this company is there at 4 different locations at Gurgaon, Bangalore, and at Vadodara and at Chennai. So you can apply online for this particular companies. It's a good company in which you'll get a lot of good job opportunities to learn and to grow. So definitely you should apply. So these are all the job opportunities that are there available for freshers as well as for experience. So you can apply for all these vacancies.